Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all you are well at your home. I am Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics, Milestone School and College. We all know we are passing very much tough day for this disease. In the meantime, Milestone School and College initiate a very great process for this online class. This would be very much helpful for you to continue your study at your home. You can look after the online CW and submit your HW in the comment. This is a very much continued process for your study. So let's start today's class. My dear students of class 7, welcome to video class on mathematics. Our OCW number today 17, class 7, chapter 5, algebraic expression. Today we will discuss from this chapter some M.C.Q. and I show you the explanation of every M.C.Q. that will help you for better understanding. So I am Setu. I am going to start today's class. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer all the M.C.Q. from exercise, apply the algebraic formula for solving math, determine LCM, determine now exercise 5.4. Today we will solve all the M.C.Q. from this exercise 5.4. So at first, number 1, which one is the square of a minus 5? So these are the options B, C, D, and you can see the bold marks. These bold marks is the answer. Okay. Now I show you the explanation how can we get this answer. So explanation, the square of a minus 5. Therefore a minus 5 whole square, you know the square of a minus 5 means a minus 5 whole square, and you know the formula a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and we have to compare with this. And we have to compare with this general formula with a minus 5. That means a will be the a, 5 will be the b. So we have to compare. So we can write a square minus 2 into a into 5 as the general formula you can see, and 5 square as the general formula you can see. Now a square 5 into 2, that means 10a, plus 5 square, that means 25. Now number 2, which one is the value of x plus y whole square plus 2x plus y into x minus y plus x minus y whole square? At first, please look at carefully. These are the options, and as I am saying, this bold marks is the answer. At first, look at the question. Please compare with the general formula like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Please compare with the formula. You will see the same thing like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I am going to show you the explanation. We have to follow simplify process. That means all you have done already, the simplify math from this exercise number 5.1. That's why these are the repeat of this in here. We compare at first. That's the thing I was telling you. X plus y whole square plus 2 into x plus y into x minus y plus x minus y whole square. As I am saying you, these are the with a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formation. You can see the same thing, a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square with this formula. So now let x plus y equals to a and x minus y equals to b. Then we get from equation 1, that means we have to write down instead of x plus y equals to a, instead of x minus y equals to b. Then we can find a square instead of x plus y whole square plus 2 instead of x plus y a into b plus instead of x minus y whole square b square. So from this we can write a plus b whole square, and now putting the value of a and b, as you can see, putting the value of a and b, a x plus y, b x minus y. Now we can reduce y and y because plus and minus, that would be plus minus, that would be cut. Subtract y from y, and we got x and x, that would be 2x, and this whole square, x and x, that would be 2x, and this whole square in here 2x whole square. Now 2 square, that means 4, x square, that means x square. So 4x square is our desired answer. Now again, next math. If a plus b equals to 4 and a minus b equals to 2, what is the value of ab? So these are the options a, b, c, d. So as you can see, this bold marks is the answer. So I am showing you the explanation now. There is a corollary of ab. Already you have learned. So what is that corollary? We know ab equals to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Now just we will putting the value of a plus b and a minus b, we will get the answer. So instead of a plus b, we can write 4, as you can see in the given option, a plus b equals to 4 and a minus b equals to 2. Now from 4, if you reduce 2, we will get 2 square, and from 2 by 2 we will reduce 1, we will get 1. So 2 square means 4, 1 square means 1. So 3 is the desired answer. Now number 4. If a quantity is divisible without remainder by another quantity, what is called dividend in respect of the divisor? So these are the options: quotient, remainder, multiple, factor. So this is the bold part. Factor is our desired answer. I am showing you the explanation. Suppose 6 is a quantity and 2 is a factor of 6. So if we divide 6 by 2, then there will be no remainder. So in this math, as you can see, 2 is the factor and there will be no remainder. So we can say factor in respect of the divisor. Exercise 5.4. Number 5. Which one is the least common multiple of a square, a into a plus b? These are the options, and the answer, as you can see, a square into a plus b. So I am going to show you the explanation. First expression, in here three expression. First expression is equals to a. Second expression equals to a square. That means a multiplied by a. Third expression equals to a into a plus b. We have to find out least common multiple. That means LCM. We have to take all the factors except the common one once a time. Like this, required LCM. You can see a is common in this three expression. We will take once a time. After that, this a, we will take that one also, and a plus b, we will take that one also. Now a into a, that means a square into a plus b. This is our required LCM. So number 6, what is the HCF of 2a and 2b? As already you know, HCF means highest common factor. These are the four options. As you can see, this one is the bold part. This is the answer. So explanation, first expression equals to 2a, second expression equals to 3b. There is no common factor between these two expressions except 1. As you can see, first expression in here is 2 and 3. There is no common factor. A and b, there is no common factor except 1. We know 1 is the common factor of every number. So required HCF equals to 1. So exercise 5.4. If 7 number, if a, b are real numbers, then a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 4ab equals to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Which one of the following is correct? As you can see, these four options. So correct answer is number B, 1 and 3. This is the formula, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Already you know already. And a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. The thing is, 4ab equals to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. This is the wrong thing, because if we put in here is minus, that was the correct answer. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer in here. So the next math, number 8. These are the two algebraic expressions. Answer to the questions number 8 to 10, the basis of the above information. Okay, now number 8 question. Which one of the following is the resolving into factors of first expression? First expression in here, x cube y minus xy cube. So these are the option. As you can see, number D, xy, x plus y into x minus y is our desired answer, the bold one. So this is the explanation. In here, first expression equals to x cube y minus xy cube. You can see, my dear, we can take common in here. You can see x cube y and xy cube. X here and here also, y here and here also, but in here x once a time, in here y once a time. So you have to take only x and y once a time. As you can see, x and y. So if we take common x from this, we will get x square, and if we take xy from this, we will get only y square. So xy, and the formula x square minus y square equals to x plus y into x minus y. As you already know, the general formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So these are the two algebraic expression. Which one of the following is the HCF of the two algebraic expression is the number 9 question. So these are the options, and as you know, the bold one is our desired answer. But how we get this x minus y, we will show the explanation. So from 8 we get first expression equals to xy into x plus y into x minus y, as already we solved just before this math. Now second expression, x minus y into x plus 2y. So already this second expression in a factor position, so we don't need to do anything, just we have to find out the HCF. And it is very easy process that you can see in the first expression there is an x minus y, in the second expression there is an x minus y. These two are common except others. So we know highest common factor is x minus y, that is the common one. So number 10, these are the two algebraic expression. Which one of the following is the LCM of the two algebraic expression? These are the option. Number C is our desired answer. So let's see the explanation. From 8 and 9 we get first expression equals to xy into x plus y into x minus y, and from 9 we get the second expression x minus y into x plus 2y. Now we have to find out the LCM, and as already you know the process LCM, that x minus y in here is the common, so we will take once a time x minus y, then we will take x plus y, then we will take x plus 2y, then we will take xy. So this is the required LCM. The common one we will take only once a time. So this is our desired answer, because x minus y and x plus y, that would be the formula x square minus y square. That's why we write down this formula in short form. So this is the desired answer. Now number 11, what is the LCM of 9x square minus 25y square and 15ax minus 25ay? These are the options. So number D is our desired answer. So let's see the explanation. First expression equals to 9x square minus 25x square. As you can see, x square, but we have to take a square form also this 9, and we have to take a square form also this 5. How can we do this? 3 square, you can write instead of 9 3 square. As you can see, 3 square is 9 x square, there will be no change in the value, and 5 square, that means 25, and y square 5y square. Why we do this? Because this is the formula of a square minus b square. We will compare this formula, a square minus b square. So 3x plus 5y, 3x minus 5y, because a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So 3x square minus 5y square equals to 3x plus 5y, 3x minus 5y. So this is the second expression, 15ax minus 25ay. If we take common 5, and you can see a and a is common in here, we can take a. So if we take 5a common, we get rest. 3 5s are 15, that means 3 a x minus 5 5s are 25 and y, 3x minus 5y. So required LCM 5a, 3x plus 5y, and you can see 3x minus 5y is the common part between these two expressions, so we will take once a time 3x minus 5y. This is the required LCM 5a, 3x square minus 5y square, because this is the formula already you know. From here you can see 3x plus 5y, 3x minus y. So from 3x plus 5y, 3x minus 5y, we can write 3x square minus 5y square. That would be 9x square minus 25y square. So number 12, what is the HCF of x cube, y5 and a square minus b square? 1. This is the desired answer. As you can see already, these two expressions, there is no common factor. So 1 is the first and second expression, there is no common factor except 1. That's why 1 is the desired x. So number 13, if x minus 1 by x equals to 0, then x equals to 1, x equals to minus 1, x equals to plus minus 1. Which of the following is correct? These are the options, and 1, 2, 3 is our desired answer. Let's see the explanation. Given x minus 1 by x equals to 0. At first, we have to do the left side LCM. In here, the denominator part of this x is 1. So we have to find out 1 and x LCM. So the LCM is x. So if we do the LCM, x and x, that would be x square minus 1 equals to 0. So if we do the cross multiplication, x and 0, if we multiply them, we will get 0, and x square minus 1, we will get x square minus 1. So if we make the side change, then x square equals to plus 1, because if we change the side of minus 1, that would be plus 1. And by square root, x equals to plus minus root over 1. Therefore, x equals to plus minus 1, because plus minus root over 1 equals to plus minus 1, because if we square root 1, we will get 1 every time. So here x equals to plus minus 1. As normally you can see, we can write x equals to plus 1 or x equals to minus 1. Number 14, if a plus 1 by a equals to 4, what is the value of a square minus 4a plus 1? So we will follow the same process. So number D is the desired answer. How can we get this? Let's see the explanation. Given a plus 1 by a equals to 4, we will do the LCM first. So by LCM, the LCM is a, and in here a square plus 1 equals to 4. Now we will do the cross multiplication. A square plus 1 equals to 4a, and we will do the side change. A square minus 4a plus 1, because in here 4a is the positive 1. 4a is the positive 1, and if we make the side change of this, we will get minus 4a. So a square minus 4a plus 1 equals to 0 by side change. This is the desired value. So number 15, what is the square of a plus 5? This is the options. A is the answer. As already you know from the M.C.Q. 1, we showed a minus 5 square. Now we will show the a plus 5 square. Just we will compare a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus 5. So a is a and 5 is b. So this is the desired answer, a square plus 10a plus 20. So my dear student, number 16, a plus b equals to 8, a minus b equals to 4, ab equals to what? These are the options. C is the desired answer. There is a corollary of ab equals to a plus b by 2 whole square and a minus b by 2 whole square. Just we will put the value of a plus b and a minus b, and if we reduce, we will get 4 square minus 2 square, that would be 16 minus 4, that would be 12 is the desired answer. So So my dear students, today we finish all the MCQ from this exercise 5.4. I think all of you understand very easily. You should do practice more and more MCQ. So for then, I am Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics, Milestone School and College. Say goodbye for now. Stay home. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.